How to enable and use night shift mode on macOS. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to enable and use night shift mode on macOS, tap on the Apple icon on the top left corner of your screen. You will see the option for system preferences there. Tap on that and now find the display option and tap on that. You will see the option for night shift now. Tap on that. Night shift automatically shifts the color of your display to the warmer end of the color spectrum after dark. To enable and schedule night shift, tap on the schedule drop-down and select from custom or sunset to sunrise. The checkbox in manual will be selected automatically if you are scheduling the nighttime after sunset. You can also adjust the color temperature depending on your preference. Tap on done once you are done making the necessary changes, and this is how you can enable and use night shift mode on macOS. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.